Do you want to launch Live Transcribe even faster? Samsung lets you assign one or more shortcut so you can open it whenever you need it. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Then tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Tap Live Transcribe shortcut. Then turn the shortcut on. Here you have 4 shortcut method. Tap button in Quick Settings panel. Tap Accessibility button. Press Side and Volume Up button. And press and hold Volume Up and Down button for 3 seconds. For this example, let's choose Tap button in Quick Settings panel. Now, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. Scroll down the screen if needed. Then tap the Live Transcribe button and it will launch instantly. And that's how to set up Live Transcribe shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.